Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your restoring media paused in WhatsApp. So if you have a problem that your restoring media is being paused on WhatsApp, then let me show you how to fix it. Now first of all, you need to restore your WhatsApp. You can restore your WhatsApp by going to your settings on your mobile phone and go to your apps and search WhatsApp and go to its storage and clear cache. After clearing all the cache, it would be working fine. And if it's still not fixing your problem, then you should check if your Wi-Fi has stable connection or not, or you should turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back again. Now the next step is you can go to your Play Store or your App Store and search WhatsApp on the search bar and check if it is on the latest update. If it's not, then you need to update your WhatsApp. And if it's still not working, then you should just uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp again. And that's how you fix your restoring media being paused in WhatsApp. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.